Hello everyone, welcome to the Vedantu Commerce. This is me, Aditya Arya, Master Teacher of Mathematics and Statistics. So, guys, in this session, we are going to revise Relations and Functions, a chapter from class 11. So, through 10 questions, we will revise all the concepts and we will see what is important for this chapter. If you wanted to have an help of Vedantu, you can enroll now. It's a crash course. In this crash course, in 1 month, in the whatever this time, you will do every chapter in detail and you will do lots of questions. So this crash course is worth of rupees 10,000, but after 73% off, you will be having it as 2700. So guys, you can buy now. You can enroll now. Its link is given in the description box, and the code is ADAPRO. You will get 10% off. So hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you are new on the platform. So let's have a discussion through some questions. The very first question is the domain of the function. Now, what is the concept of domain? If ordered pairs are given, so domain is the first element of every ordered pair. Domain is the first element of every ordered pair. So 1 from here, 3 from here, 2 from here. So 1, 3, 2. If we look at the option C and option D does not satisfy, but option A and option B is having 1, 3, 2. Now what will be the answer? On what basis you will decide? The next concept is domain is the set. Okay, so 132 is not a set, it's just numbers. So B is the set of three elements. So B is a set of first element of every ordered pair, that is called as a domain. I hope it is clear now. What is domain? Domain is a set of first element of every ordered pair. So answer is option number B. Now next question, domain of this function fx equals to 1 upon under root mod x minus x. Now let's suppose over here if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, then mod x is equals to x. X minus x is 0. 0 in the denominator, that means function is not defined. But let's suppose x is less than 0. If x is less than 0, then mod x is minus x. So minus x minus x minus 2x. Now the question arises. Under root is having a negative sign. That's clear. That's fine. Under root is having a negative sign, minus 2x. But x is also negative. So minus 2 into negative x will be having a positive number at the end. I hope it's clear. So what is a domain? Domain is all negative values. Minus infinity to 0 is the domain. I hope समझ में आया. Observation करना है आपको यहाँ पर. Now next question. Again, this question is on the basis of observation. Fx equals to x minus 2 upon 2 minus x. If x is not equal to 2, let's suppose what will happen when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then it will be of the form 0 by 0 and you cannot cancel zeros. But since x is not equal to 2, you can cancel both of them. So x minus 2 upon 2 minus x is minus 1. So what is the value of the function? It's minus 1 always. I hope this question is clear. It's a simple one. But the thing is, what is domain, what is range, and how you will deal with it. Okay. Now, next question. A relation R is defined from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 6, 7, 10. This set to this set by such that x is related to y. The first element is x and second element of the ordered pair is y. First element taken from the first set, second element taken from the second set. How? X is relatively prime to y. What is a relatively prime? So when we say x is relatively prime to y, that means there is no number except 1. There is no number except 1 which can divide both. For an example, 2 and 3 are relatively prime because no number other than 1 can divide both of them. But 2 and 6 are not relatively prime because 2 is a divisible by 2 and 6 is a divisible by 2. So number other than 1 can divide both of these. 2 and 7 are relatively prime. 2 and 10 are not. Similarly, 3 and 3 both are divisible by 3 other than 1. If there exists any number other than 1 which can divide both of them, they are not relatively prime and they will not be the ordered pair in this relation. 3 and 6, no. 3 and 7, yes. 3 and 10, yes. 4 and 3, yes. 4 and 6, no, because 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. 4 and 7, yes. 4 and 10, no, because they both are divisible by 2. Similarly, 5 and 3, yes, because no number other than 1 can divide both of them. 5 and 6, yes. 5 and 7, yes, but 5 and 10, no. So you can see 2 is making some ordered pair like 2, 3, 2, 7. 3 is making some ordered pair 3, 7, 3, 10. 4 is also making 4, 3, 4, 7. 5 is making 5, 3, 5, 6, 5, 7. So every number in the first set is having some ordered pair. So 2, 3, 4, 5 is your domain because you are using 2, 3, 4, 5 as a first element. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now, next question is A union B cross A intersection B. Now, this is a mix of a first chapter and the second chapter, sets and relation of function. So, A union B means everything in A and B. It's 1, 2, 3, and 8. A intersection B is what is common in both. It's 3. So 1, 2, 3, 8 cross a set having just 3. So you will think over this. If second set is having just one element, that is 3, so the ordered pair that you will form after the Cartesian product will be having ordered pair where second element will only be 3. Option number A, option number C, option number D does not satisfy this. Because you are cross multiplying two sets where the second set is having just one element. So second element of every ordered pair will be just this element, that is 3 in this case. So 1 3, 1 3, 2 3, 3 3, and 3 8. Oh sorry, 8 3. So clear? So answer is option number B. Now next question. Let A is a set of x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That means if you will solve this equation, you will be having x equals to 2 and 3. It's a quadratic equation. So set A is having 2 and 3. Set B is given 2 and 4. Set C 4 and 5. Now A cross B intersection C. First of all, let's calculate what is B intersection C. You will see B intersection C. What is common in both? It's just 4. So A is 2, 3. A, B intersection C is just 4. So 2, 4, 3, 4. Yes? 2, 4, 3, 4. 2, 4, 3, 4. Because we are cross multiplying it. I hope it's clear. If it is not clear, do let me know in the chat box. Now next question. Assertion, if A equals to a set having X, Y, and Z and B is having 3 and 4. So basically 3 elements in A and 2 elements in B. So number of relations is given. The formula is given in the reason. Reason is correct. 2 to the power number of elements in A cross number of elements in B. So it must be 3 into 2 is 2 power 6. But in this case, it's 3 plus 2, which is wrong. So assertion is wrong. That means the answer is option number A. Assertion is wrong. It's false. So answer is option number D. Next question. The domain of the function. Now you can see the domain of the function means what values of x you can put. It's a polynomial. It's a polynomial. In the polynomial domain is all real values. But since denominator is having a polynomial which can be 0 at x equals to minus 3, so we will eliminate this particular number x equals to minus 3. So all real values except minus 3. Now, this is fine. This is correct. Now, domain of the module function is a set of all real numbers. That is correct. So just think about a mod x. That's all. Think about the mod x. Modulus of domain of a modulus function is a set of all real number. Yes, you can put any number inside of it. Okay. Though see, yeah, थोड़ी सी यहाँ पर आपको issue हो सकता है because modulus can have inside anything. But when we say when nothing is determined, so we will consider modulus function means mod of x. But the range is set of all non-negative real numbers. What is the output? Non-negative real numbers. That is also correct. So option A is correct. Sorry, assertion is correct and domain is also correct. तो आंसर आपका क्या रहेगा? एक्सप्लेनेशन है क्योंकि हमने वो यूज किया है कि इस मॉड का जो वैल्यू है डोमेन है वो ऑल रियल है, इसका भी रियल है, इसका भी रियल है, जस्ट के डिनोमिनेटर 0 था तो हमने वो एलिमिनेट कर दिया. Now, last is your case study. So Aishwarya is doing a designing course. She is working on a Cartesian art nowadays. For it, she wants to take x coordinate from the set A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and y coordinate from the set B minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So basically, set A is having 5 elements and set B is having 7 elements. The question is how many ordered pairs Aishwarya can make from A to B. Basically, number of elements in A cross B will be what? Number of elements in A cross B is number of elements in A, that is 5. And number of elements in B is 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. So answer is option number C. Okay. Now next question. If a relation R from A to B is defined as R is a set of AB where A is less than B, or you can say B is greater than A, where small a belongs to first set A and small b belongs to second set B, then how many elements are there in relation? Means how many ordered pair will satisfy this condition where the second element is greater than. Now look at over here. Is can it be possible like minus 3 negative number greater than any positive number? No. Minus 2 greater than any number? No. Minus 1? No. But 0 can be greater than number? No. 1 can be greater? Yes. 1 can be greater than 0. So 0, 1 is a pair. 2 can be greater? Yes. 2 can be greater than 0. 2 can be greater than 1. So 0, 2, 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 2, 1, 2. 0, 2, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. आप ये भी कर सकते हो 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. ओके 1, 2, 1, 3. ठीक है 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Because now 3 is equal to 3 and 5 is greater than. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ordered pairs satisfy this. I hope you understand what exactly is in relation function, your ordered pairs, your equality of the ordered pairs, your relations definition, your Cartesian product, your basic domain, codomain range wala part, and that's all. And the basic types of the functions. So guys, keep revising, keep practicing, and work on every chapter. That's all. And stay tuned at 11 a.m. I'm releasing a 1 minute video where you can revise uh, concepts from each chapter. At 3:30 p.m. we do come live. Now, if you are preparing for an examination, definitely you are facing a lot of problems, and these problems remain same. For me, it was same, and for you, it's exactly same. For an example, when I was preparing, when I was doing self study, I was having a lot of doubts, and I was not having anyone to ask after the class. But you will not have this problem. Again, when you will be having no conceptual clarity, you will not be able to solve the problem. So you have to work hard. You have to attend the lectures again and again to have the conceptual clarity. Okay. You have to do practice through questions, assignment, test, and a lot of things. You have to be in the balance with respect to time. That means you should not lag behind in your syllabus, and you should have revision of the things that you have already done. And Vedantu do have the solution for all the things, all the problems that a student do have. That is the first thing: doubts and assignments, question, conceptual clarities. For that you need a very good teachers. So you can attend the live lectures from anywhere at any point of time and interactive. That means you can unmute and uncam yourself and you can have the same level of interaction as you are having in the offline classes. So guys, when you attend these lectures, you will be having the conceptual discussion. You will be having lots of examples, lots of quizzes, and through this we will cover the entire syllabus. After the lecture ends, you will be having the handwritten notes, and as well as during the class, if you are having the doubts, there will be a teacher who will be connected to you one to one so that every doubt should be solved. And after the class, there is a doubt app, so you can drop your doubt over there also. After every lecture, after every completion of a topic, you will be given an assignment. You can do this assignment for the practice, and you can make sure whether the concept and the chapter is clear or not. And if not, you will ask your doubts either in the application or either in the class. After every week, once in a week, you will be having a test. And guys, this test will be like a benchmark kind of. So basically, you can see whether am I improving or not. Whether I am, where do I stand in this chapter? Where do I stand in this particular topic? So these tests help you to analyze your performance and help you to grow a lot. If you will by chance skip the lecture because of any reason, or let's suppose you wanted to revise, there are thousands of micro courses, which is like a blessing, I would say, because you can revise n number of times and you can watch the videos n number of times live, not recorded. It's a live sessions. So these are very good. That this particular thing is free of cost and very good because this help you to boost your preparation. Now, Vedantu Pro is in two part. Now Vedantu Lite, Pro Lite, and Vedantu Pro Classic. Both are exactly same in many terms, like live interactive online classes, test series and analysis, assignments and the quizzes, notes, doubt during the class. But there is a one common difference, and that is doubt solving after the class, which is very very important. Because if let's suppose, and this is the same problem that I face, investing and wasting lots of time in searching for a solution and dropping a message and asking this or that, but here you will be answered through the experts in the least time, and this will save a lot of your time which you can invest somewhere where it is productive, where you can have a fruitful results. So light will cost you 37,000 before discount, but after discount it will cost, after a discount of 49%, it will cost you 18,999, and after you will apply the code ADAPRO, this will cost you 17,000. So basically 47% discount raised to 55% discount after the code ADAPRO. Second is Vedantu Pro Classic. This costs you 43,000 approximately. After the 30% discount, you will be having 30,999. But if you will apply the code ADAPRO, you will get more 2,000 rupees off. So this will cost you 27,899. So the 30% discount raised to 37% discount by using the code. Now these are some list of the toppers from CBSE Class 10, ICC Class 10, CBSE Class 12, ICC Class 12, JEE Advanced and NEET. You can have your name in the toppers list if you work hard, if you prepare well, if you prepare smartly. And Vedantu can help you on this. So what you will do, you guys will check out the link in the description box. You will go through the complete platform. You will take a smart decision, a quick decision, and then you will, when you will enroll, you will use the code ADAPRO. इस कोड को जब आप यूज करोगे, आपको extra 10% का off मिल जाएगा. This is all for the day. I hope you learn over here and join the Telegram group before you leave the session. Show your love through hit the like button, share this video with your friend, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button. See you all in the next class. फिर मिलते हैं.